Hi everybody, Mark Phillips. In this episode of Real Talk and Real Estate, we're going to cover what do you do if you need to sell your home for whatever reason, upsizing, downsizing, things like that. But your home needs some work to get the most value out of it. A lot of situations like that, the homeowner doesn't necessarily have the cash on hand to go ahead and put into those upgrades. So we're going to talk about in this episode is a new program I've got where you can, with the right amount of equity in your home, get your home fixed up before you sell it to maximize your profit. We'll see you when we come back. Hi, Mark Phillips, your local realtor. Welcome to another episode of Real Talk on Real Estate. Today, I'm going to talk about folks that are wanting to sell their homes and may have some things that they need to do to it, but they really don't have the money to do that. So if you're thinking about selling your home, you need to upsize, downsize, move to a different neighborhood, different schools, whatever it is, different job, and you need to sell. And you know your home needs work. Could be painting, kitchen, cabinets, appliances, landscaping, whatever it is. A lot of times you don't have the spare cash to do that. I found a way, working with a general contractor here locally, that you can actually come in and do this pre-sale renovation to your home without any money out of pocket whatsoever. It all depends on the amount of equity you have in your home and what you owe in your home. If those numbers are right, I've got a local contractor, licensed general contractor, licensed and bonded and insured, that will come in, walk through the house, we'll evaluate it and see what needs to be done, both agree upon it, and then they will come in and do that renovation work for you without any money out of your pocket. If you're interested in learning more about this, give me a call, reach out to me, text me, direct message me, or email me, or call me, and I'll give you some more details about this great new program that just became available in the Phoenix area. Again, Mark Phillips with Real Talk and Real Estate, how to get your home pre-sale renovations done without a dime out of your pocket.